blizzard. I'll show you out the front. Might be a long day. I'm gonna go feed the dogs and check on the sheep with the tractor. I wasn't sure the pickup truck could make it. The blizzard has arrived. I need more whiskers. My face is getting cold. There's Apple. The dog's got a lot of extra skim milk this morning. It's pretty cold out here. The critters don't really care. As long as you keep them fed, they'll stay warm. And they don't get wet. It's pretty dry out here because it's so cold. So I fed the sheep over here, and then I decided to add the feed wagon to the windbreak, so I moved it, and they're all over here eating this hay still. Whee! Just keep them fed. Hi, Bambi. Bambi's like, I don't know what's going on. This is kind of rough. Is it hard to see? She don't like that it's hitting her in the face. Neither do I. It's kind of rough. Okay, keep your eyes open. I'm very thankful for a cab tractor that I can borrow. Woo! Thinking about froze my cheeks off, the back of my neck. Well, I'll have to come back and check on these guys later. Make sure the sheep aren't too bright. I don't know if they're gonna hang out by this windbreak or not, but they're not freezing. I'd just rather them be more sheltered than going picking some bush to try to hide behind.